Do it again. Do it again.
You are too young for candy, Avalon.
Oh no! What? Oh my God! Call 911! Call 911 now! Hello, emergency! Hello, emergency!
I think my ears are bleeding.
Talk like that again, see if she'll repeat it.
No.
Avalon!
You can't do Yoda.
Avalon!
You don't know how to make a Yoda voice.
That's what you sound like.
What? Yoda?
Avalon!
What I said, that was like Yoda.
That was not Yoda. That was Yoda being strangled to death.
Whoa, dude. You're a dick.
I don't even know what Yoda sounds like. I don't even know. I've never heard of Yoda. Who the hell is Yoda?
He's from Star Wars.
Sounds like some Pokemon.
Star Wars. Get it right.
Star Wars.
You know nothing.
You're nothing.